Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: your network's nervous system, unraveling the mystery of cabling. Hey network adventurers! Hand waving today. We're diving into something super foundational but often overlooked: cabling. Think of your computer network like a body. The devices, computers, servers, are the organs, and the data is the blood flowing through it. But what are the asterisk nerves that carry all those vital signals? Yep, you guessed it, cables. We're unraveling the mystery of how these unsung heroes make our digital world tick. Get ready to geek out with me. So, when I say cable, what comes to mind? Probably those blue or yellow wires you plug into your router, right? Well, you're not wrong. But in the data center world, we mainly deal with two superstar types: copper and fiber optic. Imagine copper as the reliable, sturdy highway system, great for getting around town. And fiber optic? That's your super speed bullet train zipping light signals across continents. Both are crucial, but they work in wildly different ways. Let's meet them properly. First up, copper. This is what you probably know best. We're talking about twisted pair cables, usually ending in those familiar RJ45 connectors. Think of categories like Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, Cat7, and Cat8 as different generations of roads. Cat5e is like a good old two-lane highway. Still gets the job done for most homes. Cat6 is a wider, faster expressway, perfect for offices. Cat6a? Even more lanes, built for heavier traffic. And Cat7/8? We're talking autobahns and superhighways designed for serious data center speeds. Each jump means more twists inside, better shielding, and faster speeds over longer distances. So much more than just a wire. Now, prepare to be amazed by fiber optics. Instead of electricity, these magical cables use pulses of light to transmit data. How cool is that? It's like sending messages via laser beams down tiny strands of glass or plastic, thinner than a human hair. We've got two main flavors: multi-mode and single mode. Multi-mode is like a wider tunnel for light, great for shorter distances within a building. Single mode? That's a super narrow, high-speed tunnel, perfect for sending data across entire cities or even oceans. Fiber is immune to electromagnetic interference. Crazy fast. And lightweight, a true data superhighway. Okay, so we have these awesome cables. How do they actually connect everything? This is where switches, routers, servers, and other gear come into play. But it's not just plugging in willy-nilly. Imagine trying to find a specific nerve in a tangled mess. Disaster. That's why we use things like patch panels, which are like central hubs where all the nerve endings converge, allowing for easy organization and troubleshooting. And cable management? Huge. Tying cables neatly, labeling them, it's all about making sure our network's nervous system is organized, efficient, and easy to maintain. No spaghetti monsters allowed. Even the best cables can have a bad day. Ever had your internet suddenly stop working? A faulty cable is often the first suspect. It could be a bent pin in an RJ45 connector, a kink in a fiber cable, or even just someone accidentally unplugging something. My journey has already taught me that the simplest problems often have the simplest solutions. Like checking if a cable is properly seated. We'll talk about tools like cable testers in future videos. But for now, remember, a healthy network often starts with healthy cables. Don't underestimate those little gremlins. So, why spend a whole video on cables? Because they are the asterisk foundation. A network is only as good as its weakest link. You can have the most expensive, fastest servers and switches in the world. But if your cabling is old, damaged, or poorly installed, your entire network will suffer. Bad cables mean slow speeds, dropped connections, and endless headaches. Good cabling means reliable performance, easier maintenance, and a network ready for the future. It truly is the unsung nervous system that enables everything else. And there you have it, folks. The mystery of cabling, unraveled. From trusty copper to speedy fiber. We've seen how these vital links keep our digital world humming. As I continue my journey to become a data center engineer, I'm learning that understanding the basics like cabling is absolutely essential. So next time you see a network cable, give it a little nod of appreciation. What's one thing that surprised you about cabling today? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Network Academy fun. See you next time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.